Hey guys, alright, this is round three of the Prizm. One thing I forgot, and I'm sure a lot of you guys know, but look for the green pulsars and the purple waves. Those purple waves that I was pulling in the previous videos. So. Okay, let's see what's in these. Start to add a little more light. Alright, Gordon Hayward's, Mitchell Robinson, PG Washington Impact. Instant impact. Damn, it's not a refractor, fortunately. Smooth these little things. And Jonas Valanciunas. This is the thick one. Harris, Josh Richardson, and a Jamal Murray dominance. Oh, just put him there. Alan Smilet. Oh man, don't know how to pronounce your last name, dude. It's rookie card. Dennis Rodman, Quinn Cook, now the Lake Show, and a Rui Hachimura Emergence. Cameron Johnson rookie. Oh my gosh, no silvers. What's going on? Now I wouldn't be surprised if I don't pull nothing really good out of this one, because I've watched a break. And I'm not gonna mention who, but Woodbreakers or Woodbreakers, Witchbreaker, whatever. They opened like, I don't know, 2 or 4 boxes. I think it was hobby boxes. No Zion's silvers, nothing really exciting. So Josh Okogie, and there's a silver. Yeah. Josh Henson. Who is Josh Henson? Don't think I remember him. He played for the Bucks last season. Now he's with the Cavs, so I don't know who he is. Sabonis. Karl Malone, Marvin Bagley III, Anna Kyrie, Jordan Poole rookie. So 1 silver. I mean, come on, it's crazy. Let's see. What's behind Bradley Beal? RJ Barrett. I think it's just a jersey patch. Yeah. Still pretty nice. And a Malcolm Brogdon, green. Looks pretty nice. Like the little kind of diamond shaped thing. I don't know if you guys can see that. See the lines? Alfred Payton. It's hard to believe there was not a lot of silvers in this one. Well, actually I shouldn't be surprised. Alright, another box. Come on, let's do much better. Let's see what this one brings. Jamal Murray, Fred Van Levine, and silver of Jalen Hands. Okay. Well, at least he's a rookie. And you know, one thing for sure is that you can always hold on to these guys. So even if, I mean, you never know. You just gotta let these dudes play for a few more years, and you never know how they're gonna turn out. So, Jordan. Got purple there, pink, purple, whatever. Jaylen Brown, Aaron Holiday, and Cat. Brown, Julius Randle, Tyler Hero, just a regular insert. Kevin Durant, not even in freaking Nets union. Like, I don't think, has he even played? I haven't heard of him. Bridges. LeBron James. Darius Garland, Emergence. And Tyler Jerome.
I'm feeling hot.
Oh wow, what is this? Dude, I thought this was a pack that was. This is. Look, just look at this. I've never gotten a crazy pack like this. This is insane. What can be? Is it a book? What the fuck is in here? Oh, I'm gonna be so mad if it's a dummy card or something. Like a dummy card and then the one of those, but. I thought this was the thick pack. I don't know. I don't know what's in here, guys. We're just going to put it aside. Let's take a look what's in here, because this one feels thick. As if there's a... Oh my god. What's in there? Joel Embiid. Brandon Clark. God, my hands are shaking. Like, what's in there? Okay, green of Chandler Parsons and Quindarius Weatherspoon, rookie. Oh my gosh, I have no clue what's in there, man. Oh man, let's see. See if I can take a screenshot. So I'm doing a little break over here, session, camera's right here, and I just discovered in the blaster box there's this thick ass freaking pack. Not sure what's in here, but I don't know, hope it's something really, 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 really awesome. Just, I've never seen anything like this out of a blaster from Prizm. I've been buying Prizm for like the past 3 years, and I've never seen anything like this. Wow. And I'm freaking nervous to open it. Alright guys. It's a whole bunch of cards. Is this supposed to be in here? Like, is this a joke? Oh. There's a whole bunch of thick cards in there. Is this a hot pack or what is this? Reals. Dude. Patrick Ewing. Jalen No. So there's just a whole bunch of these. Oh, Trey Drummond, damn it. That's not cool. I mean, Higgins Silver and Steph Curry. You got me freaking shaking like crazy. Like, that's crazy. All these damn cards in one pack. Like, I've never seen anything like that before. That is crazy. Is this an error they made? Because I don't think that's possible. Let me know if you guys ever seen anything like this before. That is insane. Yeah. That was pretty cool, gotta admit. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will make a part 4 maybe tomorrow night. Take it easy. Bye.